Salman Khan is portraying some of the very popular characters played by the finest actors of the golden era in a song called Character Dheela of Ready. Aamir Khan was also seen depicting the black and white age in Zooby Dooby in Three Idiots.
Zooby Dooby Pampara, Zooby Dooby Parampa. Zooby Dooby nache kyun pagal Superman.
Similarly, Shah Rukh Khan grooved in a vintage avatar in the song Phir Milenge Chalte Chalte in Rab Ne Bana Di Jodi.
हम है राही प्यार के फिर मिलेंगे चलते चलते हम है राही प्यार के फिर मिलेंगे चलते चलते.
But who according to you looks the best while portraying the golden era? Do let us know. It's high time for your favorite show, Bollywood This Week. Aamir Khan promotes Darshil Safari's film Zokomon.
भाई मुझे बड़ी खुशी है कि दरशील की अगली फ़िल्म रिलीज़ हो रही है ज़ोकोमॉन, और कई वजहों से मुझे खुशी हो रही है. एक तो ये कि ये दरशील की फ़िल्म है और मैं भी देखना चाह रहा हूँ कि उसने क्या किया है ज़ोकोमॉन में. दूसरी वजह ये है कि सत्या जो है मेरे बहुत ही अजीज़ दोस्त हैं और स्कूल से हम लोग साथ में रहे हैं. ये फ़िल्म सत्या की पहली फ़िल्म है और इसलिए मेरी ख़ास दुआएं हैं सत्या के साथ, फ़िल्म के साथ ये फ़िल्म कामयाब हो. मंजरी और हमने साथ में काम किया है जाने तो मैं. मंजरी इज़ हाईली टैलेंटेड एक्ट्रेस. मुझे हमेशा जूही की याद आती है जब भी मैं मंजरी को देखता हूँ. दरशील जो है फर्स्ट टाइम बच्चा जो है वो सुपर हीरो के रूप में आ रहा है.
It was a dream for me to play a superhero. और as soon as I came to know कि मैं Zokomon कर रहा हूँ, I'm doing Zokomon, when my parents told me, तो तब मैं I was jumping all over the places क्योंकि I was very excited.
Spoke to Darshil and he didn't like the Ravan promo.
He did not like.
He did not like it.
तेरे को पसंद नहीं है?
नहीं, I did not understand anything.
You don't know. मैंने देखा नहीं. I have not seen it.
Ravan में सुपर हीरो बने और Darshil Zokomon. So how will you compare both the actors? You know, he's a star kid and Shah Rukh is of course the Badshah Khan. He's called the Badshah Khan. So what do you have to say?
Well, I wish both of them all the very best. I think that kids like to watch superhero films.
Abhishek, Rana, Prateek promote Dum Maro Dum.
Mumbai, you want one more song?
तेरी बातों की शराब, तेरे पापों के हिसाब, तेरे स्विस बैंक अकाउंट, गोल गोल मोल काउंट. तूने घर घर को तूने इतना दिया, पूरा कफन लिया और दिल से दिया. तूने किया जर्सी, अब तेरी बरसी, अब बिना जर्सी और बिना अर्जी सब जाएंगे 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 बारी 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 बारी.
Let's go! Before we carry on, Mumbai, just remember one thing. मुंबई आने का, मस्त चिल मारने का, खाने का, पीने का, लेकिन दम बिल्कुल नहीं मारने का. याद रखिएगा मुंबई, just say no to drugs. If you're doing drugs, you're not cool. So say no to drugs और याद रखिए, दम बिल्कुल नहीं मारने का.
Amir Farha at Dr. Firuza R. Parekh's book launch.
Everyone, it's a very big honor for me for two reasons. One, I love Dr. Firoza, and two,
I nearly did graduate, so it's a bit overwhelming being here. I think under my qualifications, director, reputed choreographer, but for me, my most favorite is Madhura Krishna.
दरअसल फिरोज़ा हमारी बहुत अच्छी दोस्त हैं और जब उन्होंने मुझे न्योता दिया इस बुक के लॉन्च के लिए तो मुझे बड़ी खुशी हुई आने के लिए। और ये एक ऐसा क्षेत्र है, ये ऐसा एक टॉपिक है जिसमें बहुत कम जानकारी है हिंदुस्तान में। बहुत सारे कपल्स हैं जो बच्चे पैदा नहीं कर पाते और ये जो मेडिकल फैसिलिटीज़ आज मेडिकल साइंस इतना आगे बढ़ चुका है कि अब IVF के ज़रिए बहुत सारे कपल्स इनमें से बच्चे पैदा कर सकते हैं।
Sunil Shetty at Akon's concert press meet.
I thank him first of all. I'd say thank you, Akon, for coming here. Thank you because he walked straight out of the plane and came to the press conference. We were waiting upstairs believing that he's going to take 2 minutes to change. But he was down here, you know, the thorough professional. I think that's what's taken me away completely, blown by the fact that he is so very professional. So I think first of all, let me thank him for supporting, Save the Children.
Thank you for having me here. And stop using the word legend. You're making me sound old. But I appreciate you, my brother. Thank you very much, Mr. Shetty and Mrs. Shetty, Sujit, for thinking of me, of course, and John, to make sure this thing happens well. Of course, I love India. Every chance that I find to come here, I find a way. This is definitely always an honor to be a part of what I'm doing here on this side of the world. And of course, you guys show more than loyalty towards my art, my career, and it's always, that's no words to really describe how much I appreciate, my Indian people here and all the support you guys give me worldwide.
Itsy Bitsy interviews. What is cinema according to Amol Gupte?
मैं ज़्यादातर बच्चों के साथ I sit and I do my sessions in cinema and theatre. Cinema को तो I intend to use the skill to just give out purposes of children. तो as a cinema जो औजार है बहुत ही strong औजार है. It's a phenomenally powerful tool for social change, and that I could see after TZP what happened. That people started looking at their children differently. Teachers started reassessing their roles in their children's classrooms. And the wheel started changing. Now we have till 8th standard, there are no examinations. And I have been to so many seminars and symposiums. Me and Deepa, we've addressed the United Nations at Paris in a Congress of Learning Difficulties.
Right.
So we know that we are using this as a tool in order to alleviate children from burdensome problems that the adult people do.
Aftab Shivdasani on individual performances and box office results.
When the box office numbers, they don't really work, people start labeling you, as a multi-star or a multi-hero and stuff like that. And then nobody really looks at your individual performances. Because your individual performance is good or bad has got nothing to do with the box office numbers. There's no correlation to it.
Anupam Kher's take on Darshil Safari.
Then I had a superb co-actor with me called Darshil Safari. He's like magic himself. He's amazing. He's a charming young boy. He's off-screen as entertaining as he's on-screen. I learnt a lot from him. We played lots of games. It was very important for me to bond with him, but it was not very difficult to bond with him. And I love the boy, and he's a real superstar.
It's goodbye time, guys, but we leave you with this exciting promo of Shaitan. Bollywood Hungama News Network.